Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this special addition to our series. That because last time when Dr. Lim was online and he was doing a live chat, people asked thousands of questions, and then we realized it was important we bring those questions up into a show. This will be a half an hour show. We'll be taking 5 comments on questions from the comments below, and then we will be posting them to Dr. Lim, and then Dr. Lim will answer. We will go directly and call Dr. Lim so that we get direct access to him and we can ask him the questions that we have lined up for today. So remember, 2:30 p.m. every day on this page, you will be able to get to know 5 questions answered by Dr. Lim. Okay, I'm calling Dr. Lim now.
Hi.
Good morning, Dr. Lim.
Yeah. Good morning. Yeah.
This is our special show, Ask Dr. Lim, and this is the premiere show, and we have, shortlisted some 5 questions for you.
Yeah.
today.
That's good. Yes. That's good. Yeah.
Because last time when we did a show, we had so many questions, and then it was very difficult because most of the questions were repetitive questions.
Yeah. So it's
So,
good. So today we can discuss a little bit about
yes.
the question.
So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
have shortlisted 5 questions for you. We will not waste much
Yeah.
time.
Please.
I will
Okay.
give you these questions. The first question
Yeah.
that is being asked for you, I'm just going, this is number 1 question. It comes
Okay.
from Kedar Desai, and he wants to know what products are useful in facial paralysis. He's there right now online, and he's been asking this
Yeah.
question quite often. For facial paralysis, what products should be used?
Yeah. First thing first, no. The facial paralysis, nothing to do with the face, no. Actually it's a liver problem. So when we have this liver problem, the face sometimes paralyzed. Okay, the body also, certain part of the body, the joint, also become quite stiff. They become stiff. So that the problems that we are not treating the face, we are treating the liver. Okay, so which are the products that good for liver? First on the list, of course, Ganoderma. Ganoderma is very good to regulate the liver. So we suggested we go for half mega dosage. Okay, 6 rg, 15 rg, 15 gl. Then also this spirulina, also very good for liver. Okay, because all the chlorophyll, everything is good for the blood. Okay, because liver also in charge of the blood system of the body. Okay, so that when the liver having problem, the blood circulation having problem, okay, then your face will become paralyzed. Okay, now you see that the heart is to pump the blood, okay, but the liver is to control the quality of the blood. So the quality of the blood is not good, then your joint becomes stiff. The face become paralyzed. So we suggest that RGGL you to take, spirulina you to take, then take more green food, okay, because the paralysis of the face is also due to the constituents, your blood are not in a good state. That means the chemical composition of your blood is not complete, something is lacking. So try to take more green vegetable. Okay, you take green vegetable and all these things. So that our suggestion is that take RGGL, take the spirulina. These are the major one. Okay, then you should take green food, and you should take this red food. Red one like even our roselle, also very good. Very good. Then of course you can take this this sweet beet. Okay, the red color one. Okay, or this carrot, everything is very good for this blood. So these are the few things that you should consider. Yes.
Okay, doctor, we go to the next
Yeah.
question now.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now the next question is from Anjesh Kumar. One woman aged 25 years, she is suffering from ovarian cyst. left and right ovarian cyst, size almost 45 mm, and left fallopian tube is blocked. What DXN product I use, and can you suggest some dosage also, please?
Yeah, this is a very common question, because now every 5 to 6 women, there's one woman having this problem. Either they have the cyst, in the wombs, or they have cyst in the breast. This is a very common problem now. So the same thing, why the cyst is coming to the body. The cyst has one function, it consumes the acid in the body. So when the body acidic level is very very high, your body need to what they call treat the acid problem. Okay, there are three ways your body can do with this acid problem. The first way is to discharge it through your body, through the sweats, through the urine. Okay, but sometimes the acid also keep on coming in. I mean your food are acidic, then your metabolism are not complete. So when your metabolism not complete, there's a lot of this acid residues. So when that acid is too much, your body cannot discharge it properly. Then you have to go for the second method. So the second way is that then your body sometimes is too much acid. No, he cannot discharge. Then your body has to put it aside. How to put it aside? Then it combine with the cholesterol, combine with fat. Okay, so you put it aside and keep it as cholesterol or fat inside the body. So when your acid level is increased, okay, so your fat and also your cholesterol level also will increase. This is the second way your body deal with it.
Very interesting.
Yeah. Then even that sometimes cannot handle the problem, then your body started to form cyst and tumor. Okay, and this cyst and tumor at first is okay. It's just to cleanse the acid and all. But if you do not treat it, after some time it mutate, then become cancer, then you have problem. Okay, so the cyst and tumor is your body defense system to cleanse the acid in the body. Nowadays, why there are so many women having this cyst problem? Okay, they have mainly two areas. They have cysts in the womb, or they have the cysts in the breast. Because nowadays many women, they try to on diet. They are not eating enough food, so their body a lack of a nutrient. Then there's a lot of stress. There's a lot of there's so many things happening in their life. Okay, they have stress. Then they eat not enough food. Then the body a lack of nutrient. Then the resulted in an acidic body. Okay, so when the body becomes acidic, then this cyst problem always exists. Yeah. So to remove the acid from the body, now you have to remove acid. Of course, RGGL and spirulina you continue to take. These are the major ingredient. So 4.5 centimeter is quite big already, the size. So maybe I suggest go for mega dosage for 1 or 2 months.
Doctor, it's 45 m, not 4.5 centimeters. 45 millimeter, just 0.5.
Yeah. But it is very small.
Yeah, but
very small. Then
megadosage
it's okay. No need. Microdosage they will help. Then if they say go for half megadosage, will do. Half megadosage is a very small cyst. Then also drink the coffee. Drink the coffee. Coffee can improve the circulation, Yeah. Then take this Morinzi.
Morinzi लेना पड़ेगा आपको.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So this will be good for the cyst.
Or doctor, we go to the third question.
Yes.
Question is from Munish Sharma. Dr. Lim, I want to ask you a small question. Whenever I consume virgin coconut oil, I feel my head in the middle as well as my stomach both getting heavy.
Exactly.
Feeling extremely nervous. What is your recommendation for me?
Now, when you take virgin coconut oil, okay, it regulates your stomach. A stomach is the area where you digest, it's for the water digestion. You take water, you drink water, it comes to the stomach, then the stomach have to absorb the water. Now, but some people, they have this retention problem. The stomach are full of water. They mean the water too much inside the stomach. Yeah. So that when you take this virgin coconut oil, okay, it activates your this stomach, So your case is that your stomach is having this water congestion. This water inside this thing. So you feel you feel first, you feel heavy, you know, the body feel heavy, the head also feel heavy. Okay, so it's reflected on middle, or say, and this area also is the stomach area. Or sometimes you affect your nose, affect your what do you call this area also become numb. So this is a good reaction to continue to take the virgin coconut. Even virgin coconut is very good for you in this case.
Okay,
Yeah,
doctor,
yeah. Next question, please. Yeah.
Yes, doctor. Next question we go. This is question number 4, and it comes from Ram Glan Tamang from, I think so, he's from Nepal. Shunya or yoga. What different, sir? What is the difference between Shunya and yoga?
Yeah. Sunya is a whole system of meditation. Okay. Then yoga is a practice. First thing, what's the meaning of yoga? Yoga means union. Okay, your mind and body cannot be separated. So that you try to manage your mind and body so that they are harmonious with each other. That is yoga. Okay, that is yoga. Now you look at Sunya. Okay, Sunya also we practice yoga in the beginning to exercise your body, to everything, to tune your body, you know. Okay, then the reverse counting to tune your mind. So that yoga is the practice, no? Sunya is the system.
Okay, doctor. Now we go to the last question of the day, and
Yeah.
okay, this question I think comes from Pakistan. The person
Okay.
is Nutria Heal. Hi, Dr. Lim.
Uh-huh.
Can you please do
Yeah.
a webinar or a good talk on how to think positive and boost sales when the product prices are going to increase? One has financial limitations, especially in this period of COVID-19 crisis and thereafter. I have never heard any of the leaders giving a talk on this subject, and I sincerely believe that you are the best and the most experienced teacher to guide us. A very serious question, doctor.
Yeah. Okay, now you are the member of the Accent, you know. You look at the Accent. Okay, the Accent, we are a very successful company. We are prosperous company. Okay, you should look at the history of the Accent, how we come to this stage. Okay, that's why in yesterday, I already tell you how to become a millionaire, how to become prosperous. That means you understand the law of cause and effect. To become a millionaire, to become prosperous, that is the effect. You must know the cause. Okay, the cause that you must have a good products, you must have a good system, you must be honest in your this thing. That is the cause. Focus on the cause. Okay, then you will get the effects. Yeah, you look at yesterday's video. We talk about how to boost sale. You cannot boost sale by giving people brochures. You cannot boost sale by asking people to watch a video, everything. You can only boost sale by giving service to your customer, giving service to your downline, giving service to your community. That's the only way to boost a sale. Now, when you're in life, a few things that you cannot avoid. What is the inflation? Okay, things become costly, things keep on increase the price, there's something that we cannot do anything. Okay, this is a thing. So that, but what you can do is that you increase the bonus. Okay, you increase this face the challenges. That's why yesterday, say in our Sunya, okay, we talk that you must become millionaire, when practice Sunya. And this is a motivation talk, You talk about this is the best motivation talk to you. And afterward, at 5 o'clock also, you should come again on our Sunya. So go through our this video. Then you should know, you should understand what is Sunya, how to motivate yourself, and how to become a millionaire.
I think that is a good answer, and we have answered it very
so I
well.
think we have answered all.
Yes. So 5 questions we've done very good, and the first show is very good. So we keep on doing this. So it's amazing. We have around
Okay. Every time 5 questions.
Yeah, only 5 questions I'll pick up, I'll choose, and I will present those to you, and you have to answer. Just that. And we have done it on time, so people, everything is good. So now we have almost 300 people watching us. Thank you so much for everybody watching us, and thank you, Dr. Lim.